Hi friends, welcome to Nilavali. Today we are going to learn how to clean LG ARTCOOL Smart Inverter Air Conditioner. This particular ARTCOOL model comes with a dark grey color and tempered glass mirror. This will give your room a stylish look. In addition, in the remote of this air conditioner, there is a function called Auto Clean. After you press the button, the fan continues to run for half an hour after the cooling operation. This helps to keep the coil dry, removes moisture and prevents mold growth to reduce the chance of accumulating dirt and dust. Now, what is plasma filter? Most of the latest model comes with the plasma feature. It is an air purifier that helps to purify the air. Let's go into the cleaning process. We are going to do it as a general one. You can do it every 3 months. This is based on your daily usage. Make sure the air conditioner's main power is turned off. For safety reason, you can wear a transparent glass and mask before cleaning. It's an optional one. There is a small notch at both sides of the corner. Pull them at the same time so that the glass door opens. Once the glass door opens, you can see the air filters. Now, gently remove the air filters one by one. After removing the air filters, you can see the plasma filters. Do the same thing by pulling the plasma filters one by one gently downwards. Now, let's wash the air filters. You can wash them with warm water. We are using our shower to clean the air filters. You can also wash them with detergent liquid and rub using a soft brush. After washing the air filters, dry them. Do not put them in the direct sunlight. Instead, put them in the shade or under the fan. Clean the plasma filters. If they are dirty, use a vacuum cleaner to clean it or wash it with warm water. The plasma filters can either be a single or double filters depending on the model. We are using vacuum cleaner to clean the filters. If you have washed them, please dry them. The plasma filters and air filters are drying up. Meanwhile, you can clean the inside and outside of the air conditioner using a vacuum cleaner. Now we have finished cleaning the air conditioner. Now insert back the plasma filters one by one. After the air filters dry, insert them back one by one. And close the cover of the air conditioner. Clean the tempered glass with a glass cleaner so that it is shiny and stylish. The cleaning process is finished. Now all you have to do is enjoy the dust-free cool air during this summer season. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel if you have not done yet, and press the notification bell. Thanks for watching and bye.